So the FAA has came out with a new rule for hobbyist pilots stating that they can no longer fly in controlled airspace at all. Pretty much in any major area near like an airport or anywhere with like a control tower, any controlled airspace. This doesn't affect most of the United States. This just affects certain areas, specifically urban areas like cities and airports. So in the meantime, since you're not allowed to do that, just fly in areas that are not near, controlled airspaces. This is only temporary. Basically what's going to happen is the LANC system is going to become available to hobbyist drone pilots. It's not going to be available until later on this year. This is the statement that the FAA released. While recreational flyers may continue to fly below 400 feet in uncontrolled airspace without specific certification or operating authority from the FAA, they are now required to obtain prior authorization from the FAA before flying in controlled airspace around airports. Furthermore, they must comply with all airspace restrictions and prohibitions when flying in controlled and uncontrolled airspace. So previously, a hobbyist drone pilot had to notify the air traffic control center before flying their drone within 5 miles of an airport. Now they will have to request authorization through the LANC system. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to read more about this, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to dronedj.com. They are a very reliable website when it comes to getting information about drones. And yeah, that's it guys. Please check out my other videos. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Give me a like. Share the video. I could really use the support. This algorithm is really hard to beat. So yeah, check out my stuff and support it, please. Thank you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.